Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have the golden touch when it comes to making money? Is it luck, connections, or something else entirely? The truth is, building wealth isn't just about working hard. It's about developing the right skills that allow you to create, multiply, and sustain your success. In this video, we're breaking down 12 skills that are making people rich. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Stick around until the end because the final skill ties everything together. And it might just be the missing piece in your journey to financial success. And hey, before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. That way, you never miss a video designed to help you grow, build wealth, and create a life of wisdom and financial freedom. 1. Financial literacy. Ever feel like money is slipping through your fingers and you don't even know where it's going? Financial literacy is about understanding how money works, how to manage, invest, and protect it so it works for you instead of against you. Think about it. If you don't know the rules of the game, how can you win? Learning about personal finance gives you control over your future. You can start by reading The Psychology of Money or watching videos on budgeting, investing, and wealth building. Why it matters. Have you ever made a financial decision and later regretted it? Learning this skill helps you avoid costly mistakes. Wouldn't it be nice to feel confident instead of stressed about money? This skill puts you in the driver's seat. Imagine being able to build wealth instead of just earning and spending. This skill makes that possible. 2. Sales and persuasion. I know. Sometimes sales can have that icky feeling of being pushy, right? But here's the thing. The art of sales isn't pushy at all. It's simply helping someone with what they need. Think about it like this. You're at a restaurant and the waiter asks what you'd like to order. He shares his favorite meal on the menu and tells you why he loves it. That wasn't pushy, right? But in that moment, he was selling you that dish, whether you ordered it or not. When done right, sales is a skill that can change your life. Whether you're convincing an investor to back your business, negotiating a better salary, or running a company, persuasion is everything. Why it matters. Have you ever had an idea but struggled to get people on board? This skill helps you gain buy-in from others. Do you want to earn more money without working more hours? The ability to sell yourself, your ideas, and your products can make that happen. What if you could confidently negotiate higher pay, better deals, and more opportunities? This is how you do it. 3. Networking. They say your network is your net worth. But have you ever thought about who is in your network? Are they helping you grow, or are they holding you back? The most successful people understand that opportunities often come through people. Whether it's a job, a business deal, or valuable advice, your relationships determine your success. Why it matters. Have you ever wished you had the right connections to make big moves? This skill helps you build those relationships. Wouldn't it be amazing if success wasn't just about what you know, but also who you know? That's the power of networking. What if one conversation could change your financial future? That's why this skill is priceless. 4. Negotiation. Imagine getting paid what you're actually worth, or landing a business deal on terms that benefit you. That's what negotiation does. It puts you in control. And here's the thing. Everything is negotiable. Salaries, prices, contracts. You just need the confidence and strategy to ask. Why it matters. Have you ever accepted a job offer and later realized you could have asked for more? This skill helps you maximize your earnings. Wouldn't it be great to walk into a negotiation and know you'll get a better deal? This skill makes that a reality. What if you could stop overpaying for things just because you didn't ask? That's why negotiation is a game changer. 5. Investing. Can you imagine making money while you sleep? That's exactly what investing allows you to do. Instead of just working for money, the wealthy learn how to make money work for them. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or businesses, investing is a wealth-building essential. Why it matters. Have you ever thought about what your money is doing when you're not using it? If it's just sitting in a bank, it's losing value. What if you could retire earlier than expected? Investing makes that possible. Wouldn't it be nice to know your money is growing instead of disappearing? That's the power of investing. 6. Digital marketing. Have you ever noticed how some brands or influencers seem to be everywhere online? That's not by accident. It's the power of digital marketing. Think about it. Every time you see an ad, a viral post, or an email that convinces you to buy something, someone is making money. And the best part? You don't need to own a business to benefit from this skill. Companies are always looking for people who understand SEO, email marketing, social media growth, and paid advertising. Whether you build a career in it or use it for your own projects, digital marketing is a wealth-building skill. Why it matters. Have you ever wondered how businesses blow up online while others struggle? Digital marketing is often the difference. Wouldn't it be great to make money promoting products or services without even creating them? Affiliate marketers do this all the time. What if you could grow a brand or business just by understanding how to get attention online? That's the power of digital marketing. Where to start? Check out free courses from Google, HubSpot, or platforms like Udemy to build your expertise. 7. Public speaking and communication. Have you ever met someone who just commands the room when they talk? People listen, they trust them, and they get opportunities others don't. That's the power of communication. Public speaking isn't just for stages, it's for business meetings, job interviews, negotiations, and networking. The ability to speak with confidence can turn any situation in your favor. Why it matters. Have you ever had something important to say, but struggled to say it clearly? This skill fixes that. Wouldn't it be great to walk into any room and make a strong impression? That's what great communicators do. What if you could land better deals, jobs, or relationships just by speaking more effectively? That's why communication is a wealth skill. Where to start? Join Toastmasters, practice storytelling, and learn the art of persuasion through books like Talk Like TED. 8. Copywriting. Have you ever read a product description or ad and felt compelled to buy? That's not luck, it's copywriting. Copywriting is the ability to use words to persuade, sell, and influence. It's one of the highest paid freelance skills because businesses need compelling words to sell products, write ads, and even craft emails. Why it matters. Have you ever wished you could sell without sounding salesy? Copywriting helps you do that. What if you could write a few words and get paid over and over again? That's the beauty of great copy. Wouldn't it be great to turn your ability to write into a skill that prints money? That's why this is a game changer. Where to start? Read the Copywriter's Handbook and practice writing product descriptions or social media ads. Number 9. Coding and automation. You don't have to be a full-time programmer to make money from coding. Have you ever thought about how businesses make money while they sleep? Automation. If you can write scripts that automate processes, you can save businesses time and money, which means you get paid big. Whether it's automating emails, managing social media, or improving workflow, knowing even a little coding can separate you from the competition. Why it matters. Have you ever wished you could make money without doing extra work? Automation helps businesses do just that. What if you could charge businesses thousands just for setting up something once? That's what automation specialists do. Wouldn't it be great to have an in-demand skill that companies are desperate to hire for? That's why coding is a wealth skill. Where to start? Platforms like Codecademy, Free Code Camp, or YouTube tutorials can get you going. 10. Time management and productivity. Have you ever felt like you're busy but not actually getting anywhere? The wealthy understand that time is their greatest asset. They don't just work hard, they work smart. Time management isn't just about checking things off a to-do list. It's about focusing on high-value activities that move the needle. Why it matters. Have you ever worked all day and felt like you got nothing important done? Time management changes that. What if you could achieve more in a few hours than most people do in a full day? That's what the ultra-productive do. Wouldn't it be great to stop feeling overwhelmed and actually make progress toward your goals? That's why this skill is critical. Where to start? Study time blocking, the Eisenhower Matrix, and books like The 4-Hour Workweek. 11. Emotional intelligence, EQ. You can have all the skills in the world, but if you don't know how to handle emotions, yours and others, you'll struggle to build wealth. High EQ people know how to read situations, manage stress, and build strong relationships. They stay calm under pressure, which is a superpower in business. Why it matters. Have you ever reacted emotionally and regretted it later? High EQ prevents that. What if you could navigate conflicts and negotiations with ease? This skill makes it possible. Wouldn't it be great to have people genuinely want to work with you? That's what emotional intelligence does. Where to start? Read Emotional Intelligence 2.0 and start practicing self-awareness and active listening. 12. Adaptability and continuous learning. Have you noticed how some people thrive no matter what happens in the economy? That's because they don't just rely on one skill, they adapt. The most successful people never stop learning. When industries change, they don't panic, they pivot. That's how they stay ahead. Why it matters. Have you ever felt stuck because your industry is changing? Adaptability prevents that. What if you could always be in demand, no matter the job market? That's the power of continuous learning. Wouldn't it be great to turn change into an opportunity instead of a setback? That's why this skill is essential. Where to start? Read Range by David Epstein and always be open to learning new skills. There's a biblical principle that says, to whom much is given, much is required. The skills you develop aren't just for you. They're meant to be used wisely, to help others, and to create something greater than yourself. The wealthy understand this. They multiply what they have instead of wasting it. The question is, what skills are you stewarding? Are you developing talents that can lead to greater impact and prosperity? Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these skills do you already have? And which one are you going to focus on next? Drop a comment below. And if you're serious about growth, subscribe to the channel. Every video is designed to help you master skills, build wealth, and create a life of purpose. Don't miss out. And before you go, make sure to watch our next video, 12 Daily Habits to Increase Your Leadership. Because skills alone won't make you rich. Learning how to lead yourself and others will take you to the next level. See you there.